Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will be talking about some important MCQs related to the topic e-commerce website designing, right? So now, as we all are involved in this e-commerce online shopping, right? And we all are referring to the mobile applications, to the websites on the browsers. So designing the website is a very important component of e-commerce, right? And let's see some MCQs related to that topic. What is the first step in designing an in-house website? Identifying the purpose of the website, creating a budget for the website, hiring a website designer, choosing a website platform. So first step is like we have to identify what is the purpose of the website. Why do you want to have website for your business, right? Next question is, which of the following is not a factor to consider when choosing a website platform? Price, easy of use, availability of templates, color scheme. So guys, color scheme is the factor which we have not to consider when we are choosing the website platform, right? What is the first step in designing a website? Developing the website, planning and strategizing, testing the website, launching the website. So the right answer is planning and strategies. So the first step of everything is we have to do the planning first of all. What is the purpose of testing a website? To develop high quality content, to determine the website's layout and structure, to ensure the website's functionality and user friendliness, to launch the website. So we want that when we are testing a website, the purpose behind is that to ensure the website is properly working and it is user friendly, right? Next is what is the function of what is the final step in designing a website? Final step is developing the website, planning and strategizing, testing and launching. Obviously, the last step is we are going to launch our website. What is the role of maintenance in website design? Continuously updating the website's design, ensuring the website is secure and accessible, developing new features for the website, all of the above. We all must have seen some kind of maintenance message on any website. So that is because they want that their website should be secure and it should be easily accessible by the customers. What is the purpose of informative content on a website? To sell products or services, to provide entertainment, to educate or inform the audience, to showcase the website design. Guys, from the name itself, it is saying informative content. Informative means they are trying to inform you. So the option is to educate or inform the audience. Now, some examples of informative content, how we are getting informed on the website with the help of blog articles, with the help of how to do, and with the help of some information graphics. All right. Now, what are some characteristics of effective information content on a website? What are the features of effective informative content? It should be engaging, it should be relevant, and obviously it should provide some information to the customers. Why is it important to regularly update informative content on a website? Why we should update the content? So that we can increase the website traffic and we can boost the search engine rankings, right? That is the main purpose behind updating the informative content on the website. Now, how can informative content on a website be optimized for search engines? It can be optimized by including relevant keywords and meta descriptions. All right. What is the purpose of interactive content on a website? Why we are creating interactive? Interactive means sort of interaction, communication. That is done because we want to engage our audience and we want to involve them, right? What are some examples of interactive content? It is interactive. How we are going to interact with the help of some quizzes, surveys, and some polls are done. Now, what are the some features of effective interactive content? It is easy to understand, visually appealing, interactive, provides instant feedback or results, all of the above. These are all the features of interactive content. What is the importance of language in website content? Language of website, it should be easy to understand and it should convey the message of the website effectively. All right. Now, some factors which we have to consider when we are choosing the language of the website: the target audience, the purpose of website, and the brand image, length of the content, color scheme, font style, what we are going to consider. So the thing is, we are going to consider who is our target audience, what is the purpose of our website, and what is the brand image of your company. Next question is, what are the some characteristics of effective language in website content? What are the features of effective? How a language can be an effective language? Language can be effective if it is clear, if it is concise, to the point, and it is easy to understand language. Why it is important to translate website content into multiple languages? Because we have, on our e-commerce online shopping sites, we have the customers all around the globe. So we want to increase the website traffic from international audience, right? Next is, how can the language of website content be optimized for search engines? By including relevant keywords and meta descriptions. All right. So this was all about the MCQs related to designing of the website. And when we are attempting some MCQs, we have to see which option is most appropriate according to the question which has been asked. Sometimes we people get confused, right? So you don't have to be confused. Focus on the options, choose the most relevant one, and that is how you can go for the attempt of MCQs. All right. Thank you guys. If you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel, and if you want some more content, do tell me in the comment section. Thank you.